Have you ever wondered how some traders manage to execute hundreds, even thousands of trades within mere seconds? The answer lies in a concept known as algo trading. But what exactly is algo trading, and how does it revolutionize the world of stock trading? Think of algo trading as a digital virtuoso, a maestro of the stock market that follows a set of instructions to perform trades at speeds and frequencies that a human trader could only dream of. In essence, it's an automated system that uses complex mathematical models and formulas to make lightning-fast decisions based on a multitude of factors such as price, timing, and volume. But how does this work in practice? Well, imagine a scenario where a trader wants to buy 1,000 shares of a certain company. Instead of manually entering this trade, which could affect the price due to the large volume, algo trading divides this order into smaller parts and executes them strategically to minimize impact on the price. It's like having a personal assistant who not only performs tasks for you, but also does so in the most optimal and efficient way possible. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? While algo trading has its advantages, it also comes with its own set of challenges. For one, it requires a deep understanding of both programming and financial markets. Additionally, algo trading can lead to what's known as flash crashes, rapid drops in stock prices that occur within minutes or even seconds. So, if you're considering dipping your toes into the world of algo trading, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and to equip yourself with the necessary knowledge and skills. In today's discussion, we've uncovered the mystery behind the lightning-fast trades in the stock market and introduced you to the world of algo trading. We've explained how it works, how it can be beneficial, and the potential pitfalls to watch out for. However, remember that like any other trading strategy, algo trading isn't a surefire way to success. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how well you use it. Until next time, keep those trades smart and those algorithms sharper.